A letter from the Child Maintenance Service. The heading reads, Maintenance Calculation Notice. It confirms how much child maintenance must be paid. The amount is set weekly. If payments do not begin, the case can move to enforcement. No reply is sent. The letter explains the calculation, income details, payment amount, the date the payments must start. It also explains how to report incorrect information or request a review. The deadline for response is printed clearly. 14 days. Nothing is returned. No dispute is raised. No correction is sent. The payment date arrives. No payment is made. The account shows missed maintenance. The Child Maintenance Service records arrears beginning. A second letter is issued, a payment reminder notice. It confirms the missed payments. It lists the amount now overdue. It explains that arrears must be cleared, or enforcement may begin. The letter includes payment methods, direct debit, bank transfer, online account payment. A short window is given to resolve the missed balance. No payment arrives, no contact is made. The arrears increase each week. The case moves to the next stage. A new notice is sent. An enforcement warning letter. It explains that the Child Maintenance Service can recover money without court action. It lists several options: money taken from bank accounts, money taken from wages, or enforcement agents for serious arrears. The letter warns that a deduction from earnings order may be used. That means money can be taken directly from pay. The notice gives time to arrange payment. Nothing is arranged, no call is made, no payment plan is set up. The arrears continue to grow. The Child Maintenance Service authorizes enforcement. A deduction from earnings order is issued. This document is sent to the employer. It is a legal instruction. The employer must follow it. The order explains the weekly maintenance amount. It also includes additional deductions to repay the arrears. The employer receives the order through payroll. The instruction is clear. Money must be taken from wages before the employee is paid. This is the point where the process changes. The payments are no longer voluntary. They are now taken directly from earnings. Each pay period, the employer deducts the required amount. The money is transferred to the Child Maintenance Service, not through the employee, not through a separate payment, directly from wages. The payslip shows a new entry, a child maintenance deduction. Money removed before the salary reaches the bank account. Only then does contact begin. A call is made to the Child Maintenance Service. The question is simple. Why is money being taken from wages? The caseworker checks the record. A maintenance calculation was issued. 14 days to challenge the figures. No correction was sent. Payments were due. None were made. Arrears began. Reminder letters were issued. No payment arrived. The enforcement warning was sent. No arrangement was made. The deduction order was authorized. The person explains the letter was seen, but it was left aside. It looked like information, not something urgent. Work was busy. The plan was to deal with it later. By the time the order reached the employer, the enforcement process had already started. Stopping it is not simple. The maintenance calculation still exists. Arrears are already recorded. The deduction order remains active. Employers must continue deductions while it is in place. Payments now come directly from wages until the arrears are cleared and the regular maintenance continues. None of this started with payroll. None of it started with the employer. It started with a letter. A Child Maintenance Service calculation notice, 14 days to respond. A letter that received no reply.